The Earth just moved. Sound dramatic? And it happens every day, tens of thousands of times. Most of these quakes are so weak that we don't even notice them. But every once in a while, Earth really shows who's boss. In July this year, one of the most powerful earthquakes in recent years occurred. Location: Kamchatka, a volcanic peninsula in Russia. Strength: 8.8 on the Richter scale. This is an energy level comparable to the explosion of several thousand atomic bombs. The Earth shook so violently that the vibrations reached as far as Japan and the western coast of America. In some places, railway lines were shut down and people fled from buildings in panic. Fortunately, there were no casualties this time, but it was a warning, and a loud one at that. Earthquakes are unpredictable. They cannot be precisely planned, predicted, or stopped. We can only wait and hope they don't strike where we are. Why do earthquakes happen at all? Beneath our feet is the Earth's crust, made up of giant tectonic plates. These plates move, collide, slide under each other, or rub against each other sideways. And when one of them gets blocked, the tension increases, until suddenly it breaks. All that stored energy is released. This is when the Earth shakes. The most seismically active place in the world is the so-called Ring of Fire. This is a gigantic zone around the Pacific Ocean. It includes Japan, Indonesia, New Zealand, Chile, and the west coast of the USA. This is where about 90% of all earthquakes on Earth occur. And this is where the deadliest tsunamis often begin. In 2004, after an earthquake off the coast of Sumatra, waves flooded the coasts of 10 countries. Over 230,000 people died. One earthquake, and one of the greatest cataclysms in history. In Japan, there is a system that can detect the first waves of an earthquake and warn people even a few seconds before the main shock. That's enough to stop trains, shut off gas in buildings, and send a notification to your phone. But such systems are not available everywhere. In many places in the world, an earthquake just comes suddenly. If you've made it this far, know that this is a topic that literally concerns each and every one of us. So leave a like and subscribe to our channel if you want more short but to the point content like this. This is a huge motivation for us to continue creating. The Earth shakes every day. The only question is, will it happen where you are next time?